Welcome at the 3 minutes with. It's something where I ask professionals about questions about their tech life and what they do differently. This time we are going to...
Hello, my name is René Vlieger. I'm a Microsoft MVP, MCT, and I work as a Microsoft 365 consultant and a community contributor. I help organizations make smart, secure and future-ready choices within Microsoft 365, especially in the areas of Copilot, Microsoft Purview, the Defender Suite and also conditional access. And my starting point is always governance. That's a good one. I believe my superpower is guiding organizations to use Microsoft 365 securely without slowing down the people. And I focus on translating complex technology like Microsoft Purview or Copilot into practical strategies. And I love showing teams how governance can actually work and enable collaboration instead of being a blocker. One of my favorite features is the secure by default approach in Microsoft Purview. I believe it's a big game changer. Instead of asking organizations to configure everything manually, Microsoft now activates smart data protection out of the box. It helps reduce risks, accidental oversharing or data leaks without requiring months of work. And the best part, organizations can build on top of their mature. It's protection first, but there is still a lot of room for flexibility. That mindset shift is exactly what we need to support for secure collaboration and AI readiness. How AI ready is your organization? Put it in the comments of this video. What would you do if you couldn't use that Microsoft product anymore? If I couldn't use Microsoft 365 anymore, I'd be still focusing on helping people collaborate securely, effectively, probably by coaching them, building policies, or developing frameworks around digital responsibility or trust. Because even without the tools, my mission stays the same. Empower everyone to work better, safer, and with more impact. What's something fun or unexpected people don't know about you? Most of you guys know me from my blogs, vlogs, sessions, and strategy calls. But what many don't know is that I also create video content to inspire people to grow. I've helped people make career switches, become MCTs, or dive into security just by sharing openly and creating spaces to learn. That's what drives me. Rapid fire, Teams or Outlook, OneDrive or SharePoint. That's not a very difficult question for me. Teams, no doubt. It is the heartbeat of modern collaboration. And SharePoint, of course, because structure matters. And it's the invincible engine behind so many smart solutions. What's a question we didn't ask that you wish we did? My question would be, what advice do you have for organizations getting started like AI tools like Copilot? My answer would be, slow down, speed up. Take the time to build a strong foundation. Understand your data, define your governance, educate your users, not once, but continuously. AI doesn't solve chaos, it amplifies it, unless you prepare. That's where we as professionals can really make the difference. Can you name 3 people who should be next on this series? Of course, definitely. I would recommend Nicole Wiske, Annie Malone and Kenneth van Zurksen. Hey guys, I would love to see your videos in this initiative from Paul. Bye bye.
Thanks for your 3 minutes, and I really appreciate it. If you like this video with this person, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching. See you next time.